Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the color of somebody's outfit, like green outfit on CapCut PC. Get your video and select cutout, select chroma key, and select the green color on the person's outfit. And you do want to adjust the strength a little bit, but not too much. Add in a little bit of shadow as well. Go to canvas, go to color, and pick a darker color, because if you choose a lighter one, it does not look realistic at all. So I prefer a darker color like this brown one, or this blue one, for instance. Or maybe this darker color. So yeah, that is basically it, really. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!